Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today. Today is Friday, August 30th, 2019, which means it is time for yet another giveaway Friday. This will be our fifth one, and I'm really excited that you guys are liking the idea of giveaway Fridays and you're participating. It really makes me happy to give back to you guys. So for this week, I'm giving away 1 pound of this 100% acrylic yarn. This is from Yarn Inspirations. It's a mystery bag, and it doesn't really tell you much information about the yarn other than how to care for it. There's like washing instructions here, but it doesn't tell you the brand, if it's a DK weight, a worsted weight, a bulky. If I had to guess, this yarn here is probably Bernat Softy Baby, which is a DK weight yarn. It's just a guess, but that's what I think it is. That's what it reminds me of. So that is what is in this week's giveaway. Now, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be a US resident, give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, and each week I ask a question. And this week's question is, besides yarn channels and knitting and crocheting channels, what is your favorite YouTube channel? I'm just curious to know what other stuff you guys watch besides knitting, crocheting, and yarn related channels. So that is my question. Make sure you comment down below, because how I choose a winner is through the YouTube random comment picker. I think that's what it's called. So you leave a comment down below, and then on Tuesday, September 3rd, can you guys believe we're already into September? September 3rd, I will pick a winner through the YouTube comment random picker, and it does it all randomly. So I think it's fair for everyone who leaves a comment. So that is all you have to do to enter. Remember, make sure you're a US resident, give a video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you are notified when I have more giveaways and when I announce the winners of the giveaways. And answer the question down below in the comments, besides yarn related channels, what is your favorite YouTube channel? And that's it. That is what the giveaway is for this week. It is this 1 pound of, I believe it's Bernat Softy Baby. It is a DK weight yarn, and it's 100% acrylic. So again, if you're interested in entering this giveaway, you have to be a US resident. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, and answer the question down below. What is your favorite YouTuber or YouTube channel other than yarn related channels like knitting and crocheting? So that's what I'm curious about this week, and I will announce a winner on September 3rd, 2019, which is a Tuesday. And yeah, so that's it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.